guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you this beautiful, simple Smash Gold Kajal look that everybody can wear. And it is a very Indian, typical, and we all love this look kind of thing. So if you want to know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And before then, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So first things first, as my skin is totally bare, I have nothing on my skin, so I'm going to start with moisturizing it and prepping it up. For that, I'm taking the Cetaphil Ultra Hydrating Lotion. I'm going to massage it into my skin overall so that my skin is nicely moisturized. And now I'm using a sunblock from Neutrogena. This is with 50 plus SPF, which is really good for the skin and protects. And the next thing, I'm going to hydrate my lips. And I'm taking a normal Nivea lip balm. And for brows, I'm gonna start off with doing soap brows. I'm taking a Pierce soap and with the empty mascara wand cleaned up, I'm just gonna brush through the soap all over my brows. And after doing this, I'm gonna let them sit for a while so that the soap dries up. And for primer, I'm taking the Nykaa primer first. It's a silicone primer, really good. And then I'm taking the primer serum from Wet n Wild. All the products will be linked down below, so don't forget to check them out as well. And I'm just gonna massage it because it gives a really good hydration to the skin and it makes the skin supple. Now as my brows are dried up, I'm gonna start filling them up. For that, I'm taking a normal eyeshadow palette and taking that dark brown shade. I'm just gonna start filling up my brows, and I want my brows to be a little bit thicker and overdone because I love that kind of a brows. And just gonna dust off the excess, and I'm just gonna fill the initial parts of my brows just to make them look very natural. And now I'm gonna clean up them with the help of a concealer. The concealer I'm using is from Kryolan, and I'm just gonna clean that up. And now you can see the shape of my brows, that how thick they are. Now I'm gonna set up my lids and taking the Fit Me Loose powder, just gonna set them up with some dusting powder. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation. All the shade range or everything else will be linked down below. I'm just gonna buff it into my skin. It's a full coverage foundation and is matte, so if you're a dry skin type, stay away from it because it's very mattifying. But it is full coverage, so it is a good foundation to use. Now the time for concealer, I'm taking the concealer again from Kryolan. I'm just gonna highlight my usual areas, my underlines, underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the chin and around my mouth. I'm gonna quickly blend all of it. And I am taking a really bright concealer shade because I want my eyes to be very brightened up, because these days I'm loving bright eyes, so I am just experimenting them out. And then again taking the loose powder and setting off my under eye so that it does not crease. And with whatever is remaining on the sponge, I'm just taking on the face. And now for contour, I'm taking the Colorbar contour. I'm taking a really minimal amount of it because this is a very kind of a dangerous, and you can go overboard with it. You cannot even imagine when. So I'm just taking very little amount of it because it's super pigmented. So I'm just taking very little amount and start doing my hollows of my cheek, on my forehead as well. And now for the eyes, I'm taking kajal. The kajal I'm using is from MAC. I'm just gonna little bit use it on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna smudge it up. And also I'm also using it on the upper lash line as well as where we apply liner. And I'm gonna do it a little bit darker, so because I'm gonna smudge that kohl out, so I'm using it with the help of a liner and tight lining my upper and lower waterlines. with the help of a pencil brush, I'm just gonna start buffing the kohl out and giving it more of a smudgy look. You have to make sure that you don't go over the board with the upper lower lash line, because you're gonna smudge the liner. So the more thick you create, the more smoky your eye looks. So we are not doing smoky eyes, we are doing smudged eye look. So you have to take care of that. And I'm gonna keep smudging it out, and you can see that I just love this kind of look because it's super easy, super Indian, and we love this look, right? And it suits on Indian skin tones very beautifully. Now for bronzer, I'm taking the natural bronzer from Rimmel in the shade Sun Kissed, and I'm just gonna color up my cheeks and on my jawlines, on my forehead, and a little bit on my nose as well. You can wear this look on any occasion, on any party or something. It suits on every type of occasions. Now for blush, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty 02 palette, and I'm taking that peach blush and just gonna add some color to my cheek. This blush, like this shade I have discovered very lately. I'm so loving this. Now for my eyelids, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, taking that transition shade and applying it to my crease so that my crease and my remaining eyelid doesn't look really flat. So I'm just adding some color to it so that it looks evens out and a bit more natural. And now just setting off my face with the Colourpop setting spray mist, and it's time for the highlighter. For that, I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter squat palette, and I'm taking that rose gold shade because I'm so in love with that shade. I mostly use those two shades, like the peach one and the rose gold one. I rarely use the silver and gold. I'm just gonna apply it on the usual areas that I like to apply, and I'm gonna finish up the look. And this is the final look that I came up with. All the products will be linked down below in the description box, and don't forget to check them out. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, do follow it. And if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. Do follow me on Instagram. I'm with that Twitter handle name Blogs by Vidhi. And till then, bye bye, take care.